Hello, this is Elliot Schlissel. Today I'm going to talk to you about fathers obtaining custody for children born out of wedlock. A significant number of children in the state of New York today are born out of wedlock. Fathers in those situations have equal rights to custody of the children. However, the first step in getting custody of a child for a child born out of wedlock is for the father to either sign in the hospital an acknowledgement of paternity or bring a paternity proceeding in the family court. Once a paternity is established, the father can proceed with an application for either visitation or custody in the family court. Paternity proceedings are simple and fast, but custody proceedings and visitation proceedings can be much more complex. Even if the mother disputes that the father is the actual father of the child, the DNA testing done to the courts in the state of New York ascertains with an extremely high degree of certainty who the actual father of the child is. Again, once the paternity is established, the application for custody or the alternative for visitation can be made to the family court. In bringing these petitions, they must be filed in the county where the child is located. These petitions can ask for sole custody, joint custody, or just to see the child on a regular basis with visitation. By the way, the current terminology for visitation is called parenting time. The best way to deal with disputes concerning custody and visitation is to settle them out of court. In order to obtain custody from a court, you must prove that you are the superior custodial parent, that it is in the child's best interest that the child reside with you. This is not something that is simple to do. You can also show why the mother should not be the custodial parent. You can prove that she's involved in drug abuse, child neglect. She has a prior history of drug abuse. She has a criminal record, or she associates with various unsavory characters and is not raising the child in an appropriate environment for a young child. Again, if you simply seek visitation, usually visitation arrangements can be worked out. Family courts generally recommend visitation every other weekend, every other holiday, and access to the father on Father's Day and the child's birthday. The best way to protect your rights regarding paternity, custody, and visitation is to meet with and hire an experienced father's rights lawyer. Have a good afternoon.